My name is Misa, and last year I published a book called A Year in My Shetland Garden, which is a selection of seasonal recipes, all inspired by what you can grow in your own garden in Shetland. It's all very much driven by what's in season, so at the moment all rhubarb recipes are in great use because there's so much of it. So just experimenting and also some foraging as well. No need to be scared of nettles, and please do not get rid of them. They're not weeds, they're really good for you, full of iron. So when I moved here about 20 years ago, I would say growing your own produce was not as established as it is now. And there are so many more people who grow their own food, especially with the help of polycrobs. Yeah, gardening is so good for you as well. Not only it's a good exercise, but I personally find after a busy day at work, you just go and switch your head off. It's always amazing what people can come up with. Some of the people produce so many incredible things. And I like that there is always the tradition. You can always see the tradition and the connection to the land and the sea. So that's evident in what people do. I love how proud people they are of their own place.